All right, what's up, Mortgage Marketing Animals members? It's Chris. Yesterday, we did a presentation where I showed you how we're using Google Ads to generate high-quality mortgage leads from Google. We're basically buying the same traffic that all these national competitors are paying $10, $15, $20 a click for, and we're buying that traffic for pennies on the dollar. And you can see here, we're converting over 15% of the traffic to leads, and we're generating really high-quality mortgage leads from the front page of Google for about $7 a piece right now. Now, while we were doing the training for members only in the Mortgage Marketing Animals membership, we had a question that came up. Because one of the strategies that we got into in the advanced was, okay, you can drive your traffic from Google to your landing page. Then on your landing page, you can put your Facebook pixel on that landing page and then retarget customers on Facebook and Instagram. Again, for pennies on the dollar, because you have a very small audience of people that you know are interested because they've gone to Google, they've searched for either real estate or mortgages, they've clicked on your ad so you know they're in the market. They land on the landing page, and whether they convert or not, you're then able to follow them over to Facebook and Instagram and show them ads over there. So we have a software package. It's called Connect My Leads. Members get a discount on it, but it's incredibly cost effective. It's $197 a month for non-members of the Mortgage Marketing Animals. And inside here, we have these funnels. So these funnels are pre-built landing pages, surveys, and follow-up sequences that actually generate the leads for you. You can see here inside this mortgage lead funnel, all you do is you go into the software, you click on that particular lead generation funnel, and all you have to do is put your logo at the top, your testimonials in the thing, your information in the footer at the bottom, and you've got a lead generation page that's going to convert 10, 15, sometimes 20% of the traffic that you drive to it. So what I'm going to show you in this video is how to take your Facebook tracking pixel, put it on this lead generation website so then you can retarget on Facebook. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Connect My Leads software or whatever lead generation service it is that you're using to generate your leads. So it could be ClickFunnels, it could be Lead Pages, but we recommend Connect My Leads because it's like super simple, more cost effective, and it generates you a proven result right out of the box, right? If you're interested in purchasing, there'll be a link below this video. It's connectmyleads.com in order to get your membership. So what you do is you go into your Facebook account, you click on these 9 dots up in the top left-hand corner, and then you're going to go to the Events Manager. Now, if you don't see Events Manager on yours, just scroll down that list that was on the left-hand side and look for the Events Manager. Now, what you're going to do here is you're going to click on this plus symbol on the left-hand side, and it's going to say Connect Data Sources. So you're going to click on that, and then you're going to click on Web here. Now, that's going to allow you to create your pixel. Okay, it'll go through the process of naming the pixel and then saving it. Once you've got that done, you can go in here and you can actually grab your pixel. So once you've created your pixel, it's going to take you to this page. You're going to see Add Events here. You're going to click on Add Events, and you're going to say, from a new website, add this pixel to a new website to start sending events to it. So you're going to click on there. It's going to take you to this screen. And again, I'm going through this quickly because obviously I'm recording this for you so that you can stop it, start it. But this is how to install your Facebook pixel on a lead generation page so that you can set up a retargeting campaign or just conversions in general, right? So you choose how you want to install your pixel code, manually add the pixel code to your website. You're going to click on Install Code Manually. That's going to take you over here, and it's going to give you this base code, okay? You're going to click on this big green button that says Copy Code. Now you're going to paste this base code to your website. So what you do is you go to the tab where you've got our software pulled up. Now, you don't go in to edit the actual page itself. What you do is you click on the settings up here at the top. It's going to say head tracking code. We've made this very easy for you. You just click on this box and you paste that in. Now, you can also go in if you're using WordPress or you're using one of these other tools. You're just going to go to tracking codes. So whatever page it is that you're using to set this stuff up, you just put this in the header tracking code or the header section of your website, and then you click on the save button. Now, what that is going to do is install the pixel on the page so that anytime you send somebody to that website, you're going to be able to track that person and then show an ad to them. So now what I'm going to show you how to do is how to actually set up an advertising campaign inside Facebook and Instagram so that you can then show ads to people that land on this website. All right, here we go. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click on those same 9 dots, and now we're going to create the audience that we're going to retarget with your actual Facebook ads. So what you're going to do is go down this list on the left-hand side, and so click on the 9 dots, go down this list, and you're looking for audiences. So you'll see audiences that come up on that list. You're going to click on there. It's going to take you into the audiences. Now, what we're doing right now is we're saying, okay, Facebook, anybody that goes to the website that we just installed the pixel on, we want to show ads to those people. But this strategy can be very, very powerful because you can put that pixel all kinds of different places. So your homepage for your mortgage business should absolutely have your Facebook pixel on it. That's the lowest hanging fruit that you have available to you with your online advertising. You should be retargeting people that come to your website. You can also retarget your database of past customers. We call that part of a strategy that we have that we launch out, and it's called we'll call it database retargeting so that you know what it is. But you take your database, you upload it to Facebook, you can retarget just your past customers. So don't think of this as just for your landing page. This also goes on your main website. Another powerful strategy that you can do with this is you can take this pixel and any referral partners that you have as far as real estate agents and that sort of thing, anybody that you've got a good relationship with, you can install the pixel on their website. So if somebody goes and looks at a property on one of your real estate partners' websites, you can then start showing them mortgage advertisements for your business based on the fact that they've been on your real estate partner's website. Vice versa, your real estate partner can put their pixel on your website and you can share that traffic back and forth, right? So lots of different ways that you can use this. Once you get those pixels installed, you go in here and you click on create audience, and then you're going to create a custom audience. This is where you would upload your customer list, and there's all kinds of different ways that you can target people that visit your Facebook page or your Instagram account or watch your videos, but we're just focused on website up here. So you're going to click on where it says website, and then it's going to say add people to your audience. Now this here, you want to take this to 180. So 180 is the maximum amount of, 180 days is the maximum amount of time that you can basically retarget somebody with these ads. We want the maximum because sometimes it can take people, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, a year from the time that they start researching buying a home to the time that they're actually ready for a transaction. Well, with this particular strategy, that's a great thing because it gives us the time to be able to, even though we're targeting a very small audience, they're hyper-focused, right? They're going to get a mortgage. They're going to buy a home. So you can use that time to show them your brand, to show them your testimonials, to show them your call to action, to get them to opt in over time. And by the time they're ready for the end of that transaction, you are the obvious logical choice because you've been following them with ads for that entire time period. So put the 180 days in there. Now this one here says all website visitors. If you choose this option, it's just going to retarget anybody that's been on any page where your pixel is placed. But what you can also do is you can take this and you can say, okay, retarget people who visited a specific web page. So, what you do is you take your landing page and you take the actual URL. So you would go to the URL once you launch this page and it's live, and you just take the URL out of the address bar at the top and then you paste it in here. The reason why I wanted to show this to you is you can retarget different types of traffic with different offers. So let's say you're running a Google campaign for refinance and you're running a Google campaign for buyers. You can take your pixel and say, okay, everybody that's looking at my refinance offers, I want to retarget them with refinance testimonials and refinance call to action. And then my purchase people that are looking at my purchase offer and clicking on my purchase ads, I want to show them a purchase-based offer. So you can get very specific and you just paste in the website that people are going to, and that way you get a specific audience for that target that you're going after. So for this example, what we're going to do is we're actually just going to go up and say all website visitors, and then we're just going to call this main pixel retargeting website, so that wherever you put that website tracking pixel, they're going to go into this audience. So this is the audience name. You want to copy that because we're going to need it later, or just remember what it is so that you have it for later. Then you're going to click on create audience, and that audience is now created. So now what's happening is Facebook sees the pixel that's on the lead generation page. Anybody that clicks on the ad lands on that page, as long as they see that website and it loads, Facebook is going to say, okay, we want to show an ad to that specific person. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create an advertisement here. So we're going to click on create an ad. Now, there are 4 specific types of advertisements that I really like to run to this type of traffic. The first is just a general branded advertisement. And what we're doing there is we're buying brain cells. We want them to remember your logo, remember your face, remember your company name. This is just like buying a billboard at their end of their driveway. And once a week, they're going to drive by that billboard, except rather than driving by it, they're just scrolling through their Instagram feed and they're going to see your logo, your brand, your value proposition to them. Again, like Coca-Cola style advertising. You're just buying brain cells at that point. Now, you're not going to get a ton of results, but what you're going to get is lift and recall on your brand with these people. Keep in mind, this is a very small audience of people that you're driving this across. So with $5 a day, they're going to see that advertisement once a week. It costs you next to nothing to do it, but the effect of it over a long period of time is very, very powerful. So that's the first type of ad, just like general branding. The second type of ad that you want to show these people is content. So if you're producing blog posts, video marketing, anything that you're doing, even when you're going out and you're, interviewing your realtors or you're just publishing any type of content, make sure that they see that content because we want you to be seen as the expert in the industry in your local marketplace. Any piece of content that you produce helps to build that authority and credibility because they see you're in the industry, you're knowledgeable, they can feel comfortable knowing that you're an expert and you're not like part-time in the mortgage industry or something like that. It's just, again, just solidifying you as an expert. The third type of content that you want to run is testimonials from your past customers. So the testimonials that you have on your Google My Business page, your Facebook page, testimonials that people have emailed you. If you've got them on your website, what you do is you take those testimonials, you write them out as posts on your Facebook page, and then you have a photo either of the person that you've helped or your headshot, your logo, but they're testimonial-based advertisements. And the reason why is social proof works. People want to do business with people that are getting 5-star online reviews and they can see, oh, hey, this business is incredible. I feel comfortable working with these people. So again, just forcing those testimonials into their newsfeed through advertising so that as they're looking, they're like, oh, hey, I know who the mortgage lender is that I'm going to work with when I'm ready to reach out to them. Again, you're building the authority and getting them ready to do business with you in the future. The fourth style of advertisement that you want to run to these people is a call to action. The call to action basically goes like this. It's a post that shows up as an advertisement. It says, hey, if you or anyone you know is looking to buy, sell, or refinance, tag them in a comment below, click the messenger icon, or take a screenshot of this ad and share it inside the private group, and we'll make sure they get all of the same excellent service that all of our clients get. And again, I butchered that because I don't have the script in front of me right now, but that's the whole premise of the advertisement. If you or someone you know is looking to buy, sell, or refinance, tag them in a comment below, click the messenger button and send us a message, or take a screenshot of this advertisement and share it, okay? That's very important because a lot of the testimonials, or not the testimonials, the referrals that we're getting right now is from private groups on Facebook. So there's no way for you to push your advertisement into that group. But if you have a lead that sees the testimonials, that sees the success stories, that sees your content, they might not purchase a home, but they can be a referral source for you. And these are incredibly effective when you show them to your past customers. They'll screenshot that ad, and when they're in the local buy and sell group, they're in the local school group or whatever it is, and somebody comes in and says, hey, does anybody know a good realtor? We're thinking about buying a house. Or I just got a refinance quote at this rate. Does anybody know if that's a good rate? Your past client has that screenshot on their phone and they share it inside that private group. And over time, you can become the lender of choice inside that private Facebook group by posting those advertisements to the people that have visited your website, but also your past customers. We had a client of ours, Jerry, use that strategy. He turned $225 in Facebook ads into over $100,000 in closed commissions just by retargeting people on Facebook and Instagram and getting those testimonials through those private Facebook groups. Incredibly powerful stuff. So those are the 4 different types of ads that you want to run here. So this seems to be stuck here. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so that took a little bit, but we're back. What we're going to do is we're actually going to show you how to generate this from just a new campaign. So if you run into any troubles, that's okay. Just hit the refresh button. It'll take you back to the campaign level. We're going to create a new campaign up here in the top left-hand corner. Now, we're going to select a messages campaign. That means that when people interact with this advertisement, they send you an instant message through your business page. If you put the Pages app or the Facebook app on your phone, you'll be able to get that. It's just like a text message, so that when you get a new lead that's coming into the business, you can interact, or someone from your team can interact with them right through the Facebook business page. We find that these are the best for retargeting ads because people have quick questions, they want quick answers, and messages are the way to get them to them. Now, you can also drive it to a lead generation page, but we're seeing the best response from those messages. So click on continue there, and it's going to take you in here. You can name your campaign. You need to put it inside the special ad category of housing. And then you don't need to mess with any of these other settings here. Just click on next over on the bottom right-hand corner. This is where you're going to select your audience. Now, I'm not going to go through all of the settings here because we've gone through these on a number of other trainings inside the membership with Mortgage Marketing Animals. So all I'm going to do is show you how to get to this audience. So down here where it says create a new audience, you're going to click on used saved audience. Now, this custom audience section here has already pulled it up. So main pixel retargeting website. You remember that's what I named the audience. So you're going to select on that. That's all you select as far as the audience. And that means all of the ads in this particular campaign are only going to go to people that have landed on a website where you have that pixel installed. And that's how you retarget those people. So that's your audience selection. Use this automatic placement section because it will show ads on Instagram, Facebook, in the news feeds, in the news articles, on apps, in the videos. There's all kinds of different ways that Facebook can use this to generate engagement for you, and it makes your business look massive because your ads show up all over the place. So let Facebook do the automatic placements, and don't worry about your bid control for now. When you select next, all your targeting options are done. Then you go through and you create the ads. So the ads that we just talked about, those 4 different styles of ads, you're going to now write these ads in here one at a time. So you're going to go in here and you're going to create, ad number 1, testimonials, and you're going to have 1 testimonial ad. Load all the different ads that you want to go to those people inside that audience in here, then click publish down in the right-hand corner, and you are good to go. So that is how to get your pixel, create it, install it on your lead generation website, but also you should be installing that on the homepage of your website, realtor partners websites, all that good stuff. And then how to go and create a custom audience on Facebook and then show ads specifically to that custom audience. Now, if you have any questions about it, just post a comment below. I am happy to help you with it. Again, if you're somehow accessing this video and you're not in the Mortgage Marketing Animals private membership, it is, I believe, the greatest investment that you can put not only in your mortgage business, but in yourself. It really is an investment in making yourself better, making your business better, and we'd love to see you in the membership. So we'll include a link to that underneath there as well. So yeah, hope you're having a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next training.